So Kristen Myers, Executive Vice President, CIO, and Dean of IT at Mount Sinai Health System, someone who we will also have back on the show. We've already reached out. Delivering the patient experience so that patients and families strengthen their relationship with their health system is our best opportunity. Technology can be an enabler when there is a holistic experience, from scheduling all the way through the discharge and remote monitoring at home will be an important part of our strategy. The key to all of this is providing a seamless patient experience, one that is easy, clear, and from the tech perspective, not fragmented. Pulling all that together is a challenge, but patients will become more empowered in the future, and they will expect the kind of consumer experience that they get in retail and other sectors. Again, a lot of wisdom there, but I just want to drive home this whole idea of who's going to be the locus, or who's going to be the center of this: payer, provider, tech companies. Now, tech companies understand the consumer better than anybody. The payer's the least trusted in the equation, and sometimes people are wondering, why are they even there? And then the provider is in an interesting space, and they can claim that mantle of trusted source of health information and trusted source of building a healthy community. They can be the foundation for a healthy community in which they live. They just have to grab that mantle, take it. And what that means is not only from a technology perspective, but also from a communications perspective. And this is the area where I think health systems have gotten better, and they've exercised a new muscle over the last year. And that is in utilizing communication platforms to get information out into the community, right? So utilizing social media, utilizing the local news, utilizing billboards, utilizing everything they can to get a message out to the community. And we're actually flexing this muscle right now as we speak around the vaccine distribution as well, letting people know how they can get in line, what it looks like, and those kind of things. I'm not sure we're doing a great job of it yet. This is still a muscle that we have to be convinced that this is an important thing to build. I don't know where it sits. This is that weird dynamic that exists within a lot of health systems of marketing and IT. And we never thought of marketing and IT really coming to loggerheads on certain things, but they really have, because you're hiring these new chief marketing officers who fashion themselves as tech savvy. And that's great. They understand the tech aspect of it, and they can really move the needle forward. But on the flip side, there's a lot of health systems that don't have that tech savvy CMO. And the CIO needs to step forward and say, I know how to use these communication platforms and to make you more effective, and they have to drive that relationship. Anyway, just something that's been bouncing around. I've been thinking about that, quite frankly, since about 2012, when I first came into healthcare, that we do not use social media well enough in healthcare. Anyway, that is some great insights from Kristen Myers.